Hello everyone. So today my staff meal I want to eat shrimp because I'm shrimp lover. So all people love shrimp, right? So I'm gonna make today shrimp with mushroom and butter flavor. I'm gonna make it. So I'm gonna show you how to do it. It's easy to make, but first step. So have to peel off the shell like this, and that. So today it's what Japanese people call sebiraki. Se is back, hiraku open, sebiraki, like this. Then clean up. I'll show you again. So peel off the shell. Yes. Like this. Open. Then clean here. Okay. I have to make everything. Okay. Okay, this one is clean up shrimp. Total about 200 grams. So I'm gonna use saute with mushroom, shiitake mushroom, and eringi mushroom. And this is the point. So I'm gonna use garlic, hot chili pepper, butter, 40 grams. Olive oil, white wine, soy sauce, pepper. I'm gonna use steamed rice. This one is I'm just keep in the freezer, a cold one. So I have to heat up microwave oven. So heat it up. Then serve with sauteed shrimp and mushroom, butter, flavor sauce on top. Okay, so let's start cooking. Okay, start cooking. Olive oil, like this. And high flame. Just waiting for the good flavor come from garlic. Hot chili pepper, butter, shrimp, nice smell. Garlic and butter smells so good. Mushroom. White wine. Pepper. Little bit. 白だし。This is the 白だし。Just a little bit. Soy sauce. This is soy sauce, just a little bit, like this. So this cooking method is don't cook too much shrimp because getting texture is hard, you know. Let me try this. Good. Good this, but I need more flavor. Secret seasoning, naan-flour. Just like this. Always high flame. Almost done. Let me try this. One piece of shrimp. Yummy. Okay. Finish. Okay, let's start to eat. Sauteed buttered shrimp with mushroom. いただきます。About taste. Yes. Good texture. Shrimp. Butter flavor. A little bit. Soy sauce flavor. Delicious. Good matching with steamed rice. Oh, I love butter flavor. So, if you like shrimp, if you're a shrimp lover, you better make it. It makes so easy. Good flavor come from butter and garlic and soy sauce. It makes it so easy. Please try it. So, thank you very much for watching my channel. See you again in my kitchen. Bon appetit!